Hey there, amigos. Tio here. So I'm back. I know it's been a while. Sorry about that. I know y'all think I'm a young man, but yeah, I'm getting older. I have some issues, but anyway, I'm back. Today I have a 2002 Honda Accord. It's a crank no start, and the shop has said they've done what they can with it, and they don't know why it won't start. So that's what I'm here for. I'm waiting for them to bring me the keys. As soon as they bring me the keys, we'll get started. So right now I don't know anything other than it's a crank no start. So at least it's sitting in the shade. Let me verify the complaint. Apparently this vehicle was a repo. Well, all the lights. We have an engine light, yep. All right. Sounds like she's trying to start. All right, let me break out the computer, see what I see, and look up a wiring diagram for the, well, it ain't gonna do no good, look, starting circuit. So maybe it's a security. Let me check the security light. Did I see a light? Let's see. Is there a security light? There it is, up there, the green light, and it's flashing green. Ah, yeah. We probably have a problem with the security. Maybe the key didn't work. Let me try the one next to it, beside it. One key is gray and the other one's black. See what that one does. It's still the same thing. Don't let me kill the battery. Let me get the scanner and see if there's security issue with it. All right, amigos. So with the Maxisys, I ran a full report with it. The keys it showed me in this one were not registered to the vehicle. So just a VTEC and some 8 transmission codes. That's the only thing that came up. So I broke out the 508 and I went ahead and programmed the 2 keys on it. So that was the problem. Both keys work now. That's one key. Then we'll take the black key and put it over and make sure that, well, that's a great key. There you go. And the light goes out and she starts up. So we're done here. All right, amigos. So simple enough. Not much to show there. Basically, on that one, keep it simple. I mean, I was getting ready to go out and get wiring diagrams and all that, but seriously, one of the first things I do, I make sure I have an engine light, because if I don't, it don't mean it's something right there, but when I scan it for codes and it don't self-identify or there's no engine light, that gives me a direction possibly. If not, rather than go down a rabbit hole, it gives you a direction. But when I ran the codes, there was nothing to show me anything for why it wouldn't start. There were codes for the VTEC and transmission, but that wouldn't stop it from starting. Then, of course, seeing that the security light flashing, I checked with the Maxisys, and it said that the keys weren't registered. Each key I put in it said not registered with the ECU, I think. So I just got the 508 out, IM 508, and yeah, it took maybe, all total from the time I got here, it's been, what, maybe 25, 30 minutes max. So yeah, just keep it simple. There's not one tool that does everything, so that's why I have several different ones. So I hear that all the time. I got the latest and greatest. Yeah, well, the ones I have, they work. I get the job done. That's all that matters. So yeah, on to the next, amigos. And like I said earlier, sorry it's been so long, but I'm back, and I actually did one earlier this morning that I'm working on the video now. I'm just waiting for the part to come in, because I'm actually going to do that repair. It's not often that I get to do the repairs. If you watch my video, you know what I do. I'm a mobile technician that goes to the shops only. So I'm actually going to do this repair, and I'm waiting for the part. It was supposed here today, maybe. It might even show up later on today, or be there tomorrow, maybe. So anyway, I did start doing video after I started finding out what was going on. But started video, so try to keep them coming. I'm out, amigos.